Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how to retouch an image as a beginner. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. And also, if this is your first time of watching my video, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial videos. So let's just get started. So once you have your image and you want to start retouching, the first thing you need to do is to duplicate the background layer into two places, which I'm going to do. Then I'll duplicate it again. So after doing that, I'll now select the background layer, copy. So let me just rename this as layer 1, then rename this as layer 2. So while I'm explaining, it can be more easy. So I'll now come to the layer 1, then I will now close the layer 2. So what I'm going to do here is that I'll add Gaussian blur to it. So I'm going to use the radius 4. So once I'm done with that, I'll just hit OK. So after hitting OK, you can now see the picture is blurry, but don't worry. I'll now come back to this layer 2, then I will open the visibility of it, then I'll get to my image, then I'll click on apply image. So after clicking on apply image, I'll now match this to the layer 1, then the channel is at RGB, so I'll now change this blending to subtract. So once you're done doing that, make sure the opacity is at 100, the scale 2, and the offset 128. So once you're done with this, it's okay. So I'll now come right here. I'll change this blending mode to linear light. So I'll just click. You can now see the texture is back to normal. So I'm now going to group this right here. So after grouping it, I'll come back in. So the layer 2 is actually for the skin texture, while the layer 1 takes care of the skin color. So what I'm going to do here, I'll now come to the layer 2 and I'll use it to pick the blemishes. I'll click on my clone stamp, then I'll reduce it so I won't leave scar on the image. So I'll just pick the blemishes I have right here. So just pick this one after the other. I'll just take this off. I'll just pick this hair out a bit, and this also. So once I'm done with that, I'll now come to the layer 1. I'll select it, then I'll pick on my mixer brush. Can now see the hardness is at 0, and the weight at 30, load at 30, mix at 30, flow at 30%. So you just leave everything at 30. So I'll now start brushing. Make sure you change it to a clean brush. So just start brushing my image right here. So I'll take this part. So I'll come to here. I'll come brush this part. So you need to take your time while doing that. This is actually a tutorial video, that's why I'm actually fast on it. So I'll just brush this. Just reduce the brush. Make sure you know the right area to reduce the brush and where not to. I'll just bring the brush down a bit. So as I said earlier, this is actually a tutorial video, that's why I'm actually fast a bit. So once you're doing yours, you need to take your time. So you can now see the before and after. So you can now see the difference. So I'll come to the neck area. Sorry, just take this off. So I'll just come here, I'll just paint it a bit off. And she doesn't have much blemishes on her neck, so I'll just do a little bit of brushing, then we are good to go. You can also see the before and after. So I'll come right back to the layer 2. I'll pick up my clone stamp, then I want to pick this off a bit, then I'll come right to this other side, then I'll pick it off. So once I'm done, I'll go back to the layer 1, then take back my mixer brush, then I'll just brush it a bit out. Now pick on the mixer brush again, the layer 2, sorry guys, and I'll use my clone stamp to pick this on her neck. So once I'm done with all the blemishes, I'll now make a finishing touch to it. So I'll just brush. I'm not going to do much. I'll come to this neck part, then I'll just pick it out. So you can now see the before and after of it. So this is how I got to retouch my image. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial videos coming up. But for now, see you in the next video. Bye.